Check it out, guys. Yes, I am here at the Barndo. I am finally going to give you guys a tour of the world famous Deer Valley Barndominium. So we're right at 2,600 square feet on the bottom level. It's got all kinds of cool finishes on the exterior and the interior. But man, you're going to see it on my drone shots. Just makes such a statement with the black windows, the black fiber cement siding, all the windows up there on top. I mean, just check it out. Wow, I cannot believe I'm finally gonna walk it. So let's get up here and we will check it out. We're at the home place right outside of Birmingham, Alabama. And like I said, the Deer Valley company, this is their masterpiece, the Barndo. Heard a lot about it and ready to show it to you. All right, so when you open the front door, I mean, you talk about just a big open concept. I mean, check that out. All right, moving from left to right, got the fireplace over there, kind of tying in all of this wood trim work on the ceiling. Then you got your staircase going up to that unfinished second level. Here in the middle section of the plan on the bottom level, you have your dining area. Notice the fireplace, that's acting as a double-sided fireplace for both rooms. Got your little area there for more countertop space. Then moving back here to the kitchen, you've got this awesome wraparound kitchen with the big island, more countertop space and cabinets over there, all punctuated by that Sidekick industrial style fridge and freezer. How cool is that? So you got your freezer on this side, fridge on the right side. Awesome stuff here. Really love this kitchen though. Got the big corner cabinets here, your mounted microwave. You've seen range hoods that you can do there. Absolutely love this window. So these actually operate. And then you got this big fixed piece there in the middle. It's just a really nice setup there. And just a good size, obviously a good size kitchen, but a really nice dining. Obviously, and again, a huge living room. But just this really does check all the boxes down here. And then accessed by a sliding barn door is your pantry. Like I said earlier, more countertop space over here. Floating shelves. Got the built-in there. And this is your master suite. All right, so kind of going with the theme of the barn doors leading to this gigantic master bath. Wow, got the makeup area there in the middle with the third mirror, third set of lights. Notice the bullnose edging for this. That's a standard by Deer Valley. Deer Valley loves to do these big tile showers with the look-through area there with the big piece of glass. Absolutely love that. And then they have some of the prettiest tubs I have seen. I've said it all day today. I've seen some different models, but I love the tub. And then the double big fixed windows there. That is a money shot right there. I love that. All right, and then to your left is your water closet / toilet room. Accessed by a pocket door is your closet. And it's so big that it's got like an island and a little spot for you to sit to put your shoes on. Really good stuff. All right, so let's go back out to that main space, that magical main space. Like I said outside, I cannot believe I'm actually here doing this today. Never thought I would see this house in person, but here I am. All right, so off of that kitchen is your built-in back porch. So this is actually part of the Barndo. You could do it in different sizes and stuff. I'm sure it's optional. You know, you probably leave it off if you wanted to. All black today. Black siding, black windows. Absolutely awesome. All right, so off of the kitchen here is going to be your utility mudroom. I love this because number one, it's convenient off the side of the house. Number two, you've got this half bath with like a utility room style sink. So although you've got the half bath feel, you've got the utility room feel as well with that style sink. Got your washer and dryer set up here. Water heater. Storage. Bada bing, bada boom. Perfect. All right, so again, we're at the home place. We are looking at the Barndo. The Barndo by Deer Valley. Awesome. Huge. I mean, it is bigger than I expected. Spare bedroom side, full bath there. Bedroom here. Bedroom here. All right. So let's get upstairs. I just want to show you what kind of potential this type of floor plan brings. And I mean, with this kind of housing in general, the upstairs is really in play in a lot of different plans, but we're going to see kind of that in the live action here in a second on just kind of what that means of adding that unfinished cape to a plan. But just look at all the woodwork in here. Everything's tying in nicely, more shelving here. Got the double-sided fireplace, or triple-sided really. All right, so let's go upstairs and check this out. Man, these stairs are not steep at all. Like the most unsteep stairs ever. With Deer Valley Homes, they do include the Tech Shield on all their builds. That is going to be an included feature of theirs. But whoa. I don't even know what to say. Look at all the windows. They're huge. Huge, big windows everywhere. Really cool stuff. Seeing the Tech Shield up there. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for all the subscriptions. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. Take care.